Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. The stock market is looking great. We can't even see Prague on the chart down there right now, but we'll fix that in a second. We got Frank first in the chat, as always. Man, what's going on, Frank? Pika Power, Crypto Rocketeer, J5, Pika Crypto, Cassie Crypto, Pika, Nick F. Nice thumbnail. Thank you very much, Nick F. Literally just finished making that about 6 minutes ago. So appreciate that. Crypto Rocketeer, Cassie, Pika Power, Mark Crypto, Crypto Rocketeer, Mel Camino, and Spaniard. Good afternoon to all of you. Let's go check the market out, see what we got going on over there. We've got AMC sending that bad boy back up, sitting at $21.09 right now. Touch $22.35. Some people sold off, bringing it back down to $21.09. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $23.96 right now. Was sitting above 2,400 almost all day today. Prague sitting at $1.65. We'll square that back up so you guys can see it down here. $1.65 up 3% on the day. We've got GameStop still soaring 16+% on the day, $143, up $19.76. The NASDAQ is up, down 1.19% today. NASDAQ down, and our stocks are holding on. That is beautiful. NASDAQ down over 1%, but the stocks are still holding on very healthily. We've got Farmy sitting down 3.5% right now. Was trying to make its way back up, couldn't do it. Sitting at $16.49, down 3.5%. Sundial up 3.80% of the day, sitting at 60 cents per share. Mullen Auto 309, Camber Energy 97.5 cents. The SPY also down 1%. BBIG on sale 3.26% discount, and Highcroft Mining sitting at $1.27, $1.28 right now. Giving back some of the gains we saw earlier today, but still looking very good in terms of AMC and GameStop. That is for certain. Who do we have over here now? Good thumbnail. Who? Gotta be me, Crypto. Come on now. Gotta be me. I have a good one. What do you got, Pika Power? You got a good what? Good thumbnail? Yes, you do. So anyone here think 8 will break 14 today? Ooh, Mel Camino. Apecoin breaking 14. Let's see where Apecoin is at. Apecoin currently sitting at 1307, up 7% on the day. It was knocking on 1342 for the high. You know what, man? If it breaks that 1342, it's got a good chance to run to $14 per coin. Looking at it over here on Coinbase, on CoinMarketCap.com, you can see it's going to have a little resistance in this area right here. Retest it, break through. Absolutely, you could definitely hit 14. I'm not sure that it will, but it definitely could. I like the fact that the volatility is calming down a little bit and the volume is steadily rising. That's a good sign. That's a good sign if you guys are in Apecoin. I'm currently not in Apecoin. Hey, I made money today. A rarity, very nice. Spaniard, a day traded 30,000 shares of Prague. Spaniard making some money on Prague. Very nice, man. Very nice. Walking away with the gain. Prague was doing very well earlier. So if you got in, got out, made some money, congratulations. That is an awesome trade. Shiba Inu, hashtag Shiba Inu. Samuel Sloth, thank you. Hashtag Shiba Inu to all of you guys, too. It would sure be cool if one of these hit while he was live. Mel, dude, I would love any of these starting to take off. The thing is, though, like, if we're seeing a ridiculous move, I'm not just going to cut stream or whatever to do it. I don't think this is necessarily the short squeeze or anything like that, so I'm comfortable taking breaks and things and being able to come back. But yes, dude, it is going to be very nice. And also, if we're soaring, if all of a sudden we start to hit 30, 40, 50 bucks after hours or something, I'll make sure I come make an appearance on here too. So we're going to be having some fun with that, and I will be live. Hey, do you think Bitcoin is going to crash? So Jack Borden's, man, I don't think Bitcoin is going to crash as long as it stays above $30,000. Now, looking at some of the stuff that could make Bitcoin crash, the executive order seems to be good news for cryptocurrency, but if these new agencies come out and start to say some stupid stuff about regulation and paying the SEC and no more centralized exchanges unless they're government run, that stuff could be really, really terrible for cryptocurrency and especially Bitcoin. So unless we see something along those lines, no. I would say at this point, with what we've got going on with interest and inflation and even the Russia thing, no. I don't see Bitcoin crashing unless we get something else introduced to us. I meant have a good one. Just listening today. Peak of power. Gotcha. I thought you said I have a good one, not have a good one. Peak of power. You got it. Yeah, you had me confused for a second there. Nice thumbnail. Jonathan, thank you very much, man. Finished making that about 10 minutes ago, and that's why I was able to schedule the live a little bit late. But Jonathan, thank you very much. Appreciate all of the compliments on the thumbnail because I did just make that. Hey, it's Clay. Angelina, ATF. Hey. It's Angelina. What's going on, Angelina? Missed the morning stream. Got called to go to an interview for supervisor position. Frank. I would like to do a poll and ask if you guys think that Frank's going to get the supervisor position, but I know he is. Frank, man, congratulations. It's already in the bag. We're rooting for you, bro. We hope you get that supervisor position there. But is there new support establishing on AMC around 21? Spaniard, there definitely could be, man. There definitely could be. We've got that. So that line we have there, you guys can see it on the chart. I'll pull it up a little bit bigger on the daily in case you guys are looking at it. And we'll still look at the minute here. So this chart this line right here I've got it at 2072, but it's in that range, okay? This line could be support. Some of the things that I would like to see happening, because it's holding up as support on an intraday basis. If we go back out to a daily chart, see, this is where we got this line. Tapped it here, couldn't fall through. Tapped it here, couldn't fall through. Tapped it here, couldn't fall through. It did fall through and came back up the following day before finally confirming the move down on January 18th. And then started to run up, boom, couldn't break through to the upside, was resistance. And moving here today, it does seem like it's still resistance. We're going to be finishing right around this line. Now, if you want it to be support instead of resistance, we're going to need to clear that line and have some confirmation tomorrow and be able to use it back to the downside. So at this point in time, on a daily graph, looking at it right here, I still think that it's resistance. Not necessarily support yet. But as tomorrow plays out, if we do confirm some action to the upside here and see a further move forward, then yes, absolutely, it could turn into support. But as of today, even though on an intraday basis, we're seeing it is held up as support, on a daily basis, it still seems to be resistance. So that's what I would like to see before we go ahead and call it support. I'm still calling it resistance at this point in time. So hopefully that makes sense, man. Let's see. I think Powell's speaking about regulation on crypto. Jack, dude, that guy's been speaking a lot. If he's speaking right now, that guy's been speaking a lot lately. What's up, Clay Bros? Everyone smash that like button. Guest name. Thank you very much. Everybody do click the like button for such a great day in the market today. AMC, $20.50 right now. Up 12%. Getting a little sell-off going into the close, but nothing to deter us. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at $23.95, up 2.9% or 2.09% right now. Sorry. Prague up 3.22% of the day, $1.65. GameStop sitting at $140, up 13, almost 14%. The Nasdaq really getting hit hard towards the end of the day today, getting a little sell-off going on there. Currently sitting around 13,927 points. Farmy getting hit pretty hard at the end of the day here. My goodness, down 7%, sitting at 1590, touching 1580. A lot of volatility coming here with 1.6 million shares being sold off. This is interesting volatility. You don't see that 80,000, 2,000, 50,000, 30,000, 80,000. I wonder if they just had some news come out there. Let me see. You guys should go check that out too. If I don't see anything here, that's a crazy candle. So I don't see anything here on Webull right now. But that's a crazy candle for Farmy to be having in the last 1 minute trading session. So I don't know. We're gonna have to keep an eye out on that one right there. That doesn't seem too normal for 1.6 million shares to be traded in a single minute. That would have been pretty nice if it went up, but unfortunately it went down. So volatility at the end of the day there. We've got AMC trying to bounce back with 1 minute left in the day. $1.65 on Prague, and Shiba Inu coin sitting at $23.96 right now. I'm going to keep farming up till the close just so we can watch that candle down there, see what happens. Clay, lots of drama in Shiba today. Did you hear about our defense team? Trophy is calling Shib token a scam, then blocking Matt Berry. It's getting hot in here. Dude, look, man, I did not see Trophius direct. Oh, you know what? Actually, I did. I did see somebody blocking somebody, so I did see that out there on Twitter. I will say this, man. Scam or not, they followed through with their burn they did yesterday, okay? And I'll say this, too, with the utmost respect for the team at Shiba Inu Coin. If it's not using their ecosystem, they're not going to be on board with it, okay? The community is great, but they're making money through the ecosystem now. And unfortunately, you want to push everybody through that because higher demand is going to equal higher money, higher payments, and higher earnings there. And that's not a bad thing, right? I mean, everybody should get paid, especially if they're out there building things. But with now payments being a payment tool and having a burn portal and things like that, with Shiba Inu Coin setting up a burn portal, yes, they want you to use their ecosystem and their way of doing it. The beautiful thing about Shiba Inu Coin is it is decentralized. Dude, it doesn't matter where it's coming from, who's doing it, what's doing it. It's uncontrollable. That's the beauty of decentralization. I'm not in control of Shiba Inu Coin. I talk about it all the time, but I'm not in control of it. Satoshi talks about Shiba Inu Coin, but the dude's not in control of it. Milkshake promotes Shiba Inu Coin. She's not in control of it. You see, that's the danger and that's the beauty of a decentralized coin. Now, the development team, they can build up their own protocols, they can build up their own burn portals, they can build up their own projects, and they can get paid through those projects. But they can't do anything to Shiba Inu Coin. It is community-led. And, dude, when somebody else, that would be like me, in my opinion, getting mad because you go watch Matt Perry, or me getting mad because you go watch Katie's Insight, or some of these other people that speak on Shiba. Dude, go check them out. If you like what they have to say, hang with them. Come hang back here. To call it a scam is a little dangerous because I did watch them burn $23,000 yesterday. So if they're scamming us, they did it correctly. I mean, they did exactly what we wanted them to do. But, Shib burn token is also probably making money. And there's nothing wrong with that. If Shib burn token is burning 50% of their transactional volume or 70%, whatever that is, dude, let them get paid too. Let them make some money because they did just burn $23,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin yesterday. And that is one of the best burns we have seen in a long time. Good to see AMC back on the thumbnail. Pringleton, I was sitting here, and I was like, it's been just Shiba Inu, but we don't talk about just Shiba Inu coin. And I didn't know how to really integrate other stocks into it, so I had that stock chart background. After I put everything on there, it doesn't look too much like a stock chart. But, dude, we got the ape. We're sitting here. We got the apes on there. As much as I say some of the apes in the community don't act very respectful to other people on Twitter, I at least think on YouTube, apes got a good name, right? I mean, it is a good community on YouTube, and we're here on YouTube. We're not on Twitter, man, and those guys can cause all the problems they want, but we're still here. AMC, absolutely. Thought about putting GameStop. I don't own GameStop or anything on there, but then some other cryptos. We do talk a lot about cryptos, so I wanted the cryptos on there, but yeah, if you guys like the thumbnail, you know what? Let's just do a little poll while we got some people in here to see if you prefer that thumbnail or all right. And don't troll me just by saying make another one, because I'm not going to make a new one every single live stream or anything. So only click that if you really hate this one and you hate the last one. But yeah, take the little poll on the thumbnail there and take it fast, because I hate leaving these polls up because I never see anything. On a side note, I tweeted Trovius and asked what his response to Matt Perry was, and he blocked me. Kind of, you know what, Remy? Yeah. I got a lot of respect for Queenie and for Milkshake. They do take in a lot of, it's not necessarily hate. They take a lot of criticism. I'll say that. And they do seem to be really sweet girls that always try their best to answer questions and things like that. I would have a different approach to it. I would try to be a little bit more transparent than they actually are. I don't think it's that much of a safety protocol to never tell anybody anything about anything that they're doing. But I really do believe, like, there's some good people. They've answered me in the DMs before. They've talked about that stuff. And it is hard when you got a lot of spotlight on you. But yeah, dude, Shitoshi, he gets mad when people didn't like the Wellies project. So he doesn't even have comments on his tweets anymore. He doesn't even allow comments. Some of these other guys, they get mad if you don't like what they're doing, and then they completely cut you out, man. Bro, Transparent Trading Live, what is going on? Twitter's hateful. Dude, Twitter is hateful. Twitter's like the new Reddit, and I don't know why it's so mean, dude. I see you, Abe Gang. What's up, Street Smurfy? Shut up, I think so, too. Identify as a female yet. Let's say the elephant in the room. Angelina. We got an ape in the room and an elephant, too. AMC, AMC, and Shiba. Very nice, Angelina. I got Shiba and AMC, no GME. Hey, Clay, first time on here. Ian Holmes, welcome. Hey, if you guys are feeling a little frisky, welcome Ian Holmes for having the first time on the live stream. Welcome, man. Hope you like it. Why would the developers even hint at deleting 9 zeros? Clay, I'm baffled by this. Any thoughts, Kyle? So I don't know too much about it. 9 zeros is that's an incredible gain if they make 9 zeros. Dude, it's like a billion X return, right? If you're deleting 9 zeros. So I don't know why they would hint at that. I don't know why they would hint. I'm being honest with you, man. That's crazy. Marcus, what's going on, man? Welcome home. Stay a while. I'll come back tomorrow too. Yes, please. Clay, bro, your OnlyFans account wasn't working last night. I wasn't able to sleep. Your OnlyF account wasn't working last night. I wasn't able to sleep. Transparent. You gotta check tonight, man. You gotta check tonight. Good luck on the promotion there, Frank. Yes. Don't see your poll. I don't see it either. What the heck? Didn't submit it. Oh god. Thank you. Who said I don't see your poll? Is the poll on Twitter? Tanya. No. Thank you guys. Don't see your poll. Mark. I thought I clicked ask the community, but I just clicked the next one and it wanted me to type in another option. Very sorry about that. Bro, where is the poll? Right there, man. It's right there. Don't troll me on this poll either. He's part of the Shiba Defense team. Oh, man. Shiba Defense. I'm actually not part of any Shiba Inu coin team. I'm part of the holding team. I'm part of the team that wants to see the price of Shiba Inu coin go higher. That's the part of the team that I'm on. What part of the team are you guys on? You with singing any excuse. Pringleton. Me or somebody else? I don't even know. Don't start what? I don't even know. Ian, give Clay a thumbs up. Angelina, thank you. Guys, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. Click that like. We are here to stay. We're going to have some fun today. AMC rolling higher on the day. Closing up nicely, 13.80%. It's okay. We had an afternoon pullback. Nothing wrong with that, guys. We might see some volatility, but we are back in the 20s, okay? We're back. We were at 13. We were 12-something, I think, last week. I know we were 13-something last week. And we are sitting in the 20s right now. Beautiful, beautiful action on AMC. We've got Shiba Inu coin basically sitting sideways. Prog sitting at $1.65. Farmy sitting at $16.30 after hours. Really wild candles here at the end of the day for Farmy. I don't really like that. So we're going to have to figure out what was going on with 1.6 million shares being done. Actually, in the last 2 minutes, you got 1.6. It was 2+ million shares dumped in the last 2 minutes of trading on Farmy. I don't know about that there. HYMC doing pretty well after hours, actually. Jumping back up into the 130s. And we'll leave GameStop up there for a minute. If you guys keep an eye on this and you see anything wicked happening over here in after hours trading, we'll put it up on the graph. So just keep me posted on that. But looks like did not. Clicks thumbs down. There's nothing I can do about it, man. I can't make you click thumbs up. Is the photo Clay Bro or Clay Aiken? Okay, or however his name is spelled. Photo's me, man. That photo's me. Thought Clay Bro was playing left out. I thought Clay Bro was playing left out on every team. I am, dude. I am left out on every team. Some people say that I don't even talk about AMC. I never get called a shill or anything on Twitter anymore. Nobody knows that I talk about AMC on YouTube. I'm not a part of the Shiba Inu coin team. I'm just like this lone wolf sitting out there that nobody wants to team up with, man. I wish they would. I wish they wanted to team up with me, but for some reason they don't want to, and I don't know why. Gorilla in your face. Paul, gorilla in your face, man. Check out that AMC volume today. What was the total volume on AMC? Total volume on AMC today was 168 million shares. Guys, this is a strong move forward. Rising price on rising volume. There's a rising interest in buying AMC. Doesn't mean that this is the short squeeze, but I do want to point this out, okay? Because there's going to be people who tell you it's never the squeeze, it's never the squeeze, it's never the squeeze. Even if we're trading at $100 and short interest is down to 12%, they're going to tell you that it wasn't the squeeze. It very well could have been. Now, on days like this, where you do have 168 million shares being traded, it's always important to note that shares could be covering. Because unfortunately, that is the best information we are going to have real time, is what could be happening. Now, I truly believe this increase in volume on this increase in price is an increase in day traders because of the volatility, and also an increase in excitement and people jumping back into AMC that were jumping out here and here and here and jumping out on the way down. I do believe that it's excitement driving the volume higher and driving the price higher right now, and not necessarily shorts covering. But with 110 or whatever this show, 107, however many short shares are outstanding, 168 million shares trading hands, there could have been a good chunk that did cover today. And I want people to know that, because one day the shorts will cover, and the best we're going to have is that they could have covered on that specific day. Probably got booty at Waterboy tryout. Probably got the boot. Oh, boot. I was like, got the booty at Waterboy tryouts. What is that, man? I did get the boot at Waterboy tryouts, man. I couldn't even cut the Waterboy team. Bought more monkey coin to the moon. Dwight, let's get it. I hope Apecoin goes to the moon for you, man. I'm teamed up with you, Clay Bro. At least we got one team member. Anybody else on the Clay Bro team? Frank, man. Frank, did you see me jump in your live stream yesterday? I started to type right at the very end. And I don't know if you saw me in there, but I was in your live stream at the very end there. Could be the Weeble thing, Clay. You know there are strong feelings on. There really are strong feelings on that. Dude, I was watching somebody, libel Matt on Twitter earlier today and trying to defame him, talking about him using Weeble links and all of this stuff. Dude, I don't even think he promotes that stuff anymore. He completely caved in and stopped promoting Weeble because of the payment for, and they still rip on him because he did it in the past. I'm doing it now and they won't even rip on me. Like, what? I don't want anybody to rip on me, but I truly don't have a problem with payment for order flow. That you guys know what the problem is that I have with payment. It's not with payment for order flow. It's the abuse and things like that. So you guys already know my stance on that. Well, that was fun. They delivered my potting soil and blocked the door so I could... Please tell me you had to go out the window, Cassie. Please tell me. Ape's not leaving. Boom! Paul, you already know what it is, man. With the market makers, hedging calls drive that price up. So, crunch, they could. And I guess it would depend on how many calls they're hedging for, and I don't know those numbers right now, but that could increase demand and therefore drive price higher. You're on the right tracks there. But there's a fire, man. I don't know. Thoughts on Shiba burn? Dude. Yeah, Shiba burn, JB, that Shib burn token, if that's what you're talking about. They burned 1 billion tokens yesterday. I watched it happen with my own eyes. I checked the Ether scan. It was out there. They burnt $23,000+ worth of coins. So whether you guys don't like it or not, they at least burned 23 grand or the Shiba Inu coin. Clay Bro, Team Up Lottery Stock, young guy. I mean, yeah. Manuel, man. I was actually in Lottery Stock's live stream yesterday for a couple minutes. He had about 20 people in there hanging out. And I was talking to him for a few minutes. He was all excited about AMC rolling higher. I know he's done a couple videos, or at least one video talking about me before. And I've actually watched a few of his videos, so good kid. Smash that like button. Smash. Listen to Dwight. Smash that like button. Clay, everyone in Frank's channel thinks I'm you. I'm in on Team Clay. Well, dude, whoever they think that you are, man, that's pretty good. And I did not see you. I saw Paul in there. I don't know. I saw Paul and then some guy's name that I don't recognize in Frank's channel, I think, yesterday. Saw your buzzer beater comment clip, bro. Boom! Yes, Frank saw it. Good deal. Frank, who was that other guy that was in there? Angelina, seriously asking after your comment, do you believe the dark pool has different shares that are separate to lit exchanges that are like hidden and being slowly released? I know some people do think that that's the case. We can talk about that. You can talk about dark pool if you want. That's probably why no one wants to team up with you. Payment for order flow thing. Could be, man. Could be, Mr. G. What do you think, though? Mr. G, do you think that the problem actually would be payment for order flow? Or do you think it's just because I think that the bad guys can use payment for order flow? And you guys, I know you can think of some analogies, right? Where some people say, well, it's the tool that's being used that's the problem. So take that away. It's not the bad guys using the tool that's the problem. It's the actual tool itself. I know you guys can think of analogies like that, but payment for order flow is just that. They're going to pay you to route your orders through them. Now, what they do with the orders is the bad part. Routing your orders through them is not the bad part. Right on, man. Well, good deal, man. Heard of AMC Pops? We should have a taco party in Las Vegas. Dude, I have a taco party. I've never been to Vegas. You guys, hopefully you know that I'm not like a big gambler or a lot of the stuff that might take place in Vegas. I'm not big into all of that, but dude, I think tacos. I am big into tacos. I could eat those all day, every day. Dang, Cladinho, change thumbnail, stinky Shiba thumb. Dude, it was not a stinky Shiba thumbnail, man. Shiba's still on the thumbnail, because clearly we talk a lot about Shiba Inu coin. But yes, the thumbnail did change. What's up, Clay Rose? AMC GME did great today. All done with work, eating lunch at Phil's Barbecue to the moon. Victor, let's get it. Victor, I was watching that appreciation video you guys made for me earlier this morning. And dude, thank you for throwing your thumbs up in that appreciation video. Melcamino, here's how you get them to come to the door next time. Don't tip them online when you're ordering. I bet they head to your front door. That's actually a good tip, man. Possibly, but I don't know exactly what you're talking about. All right, we're gonna take that vote down so I can see this chat a little bit better. Nice, 69% liked. And thank you guys very much. You know, the good thing is I didn't spend a ton of time. I did spend about I'd say a half hour searching all the pictures and figuring out which ones I wanted to use. But I came up here to schedule a live, and I was going to do it at like 3:20 or so. And I'm like, no, you know what? I've been wanting to use a new thumbnail for a while now, so let's just make it. And then I didn't finish till about 3:45, so I was like, crap. Victor, which Phil's Barbecue, SoCal? We need to know. We do need to know. Victor, tell us right now exactly which restaurant you're at right now. Mr. G, that answer was probably the only best one you could have stated to earn respect from me. Oh, there he is. I just think there's such a mindset that payment for order flow that other YouTubers are afraid to say anything about payment for order flow is bad. Dude, I'm not afraid to say anything about payment for order flow. I don't think payment for order flow is actually bad. Is that what you said? Oh, they're afraid to say anything but pay. Okay. Sometimes reading the text is hard. It might be true, man. It might be true. They're too afraid to say anything other than payment for order flow is bad. But I don't know, man. I don't think payment for order flow is bad, and I do get a lot of flack in here with people coming into payment for order flow. Payment for order flow, T+35, FTDs, a dark pool, abuse, naked short synthetics, high frequency trading algorithms, market maker conflicts of interest. Whenever the 1% lose, they shut up. Yes, Camilio. When the 1% start to lose, you guys can look at the London Metals Exchange and what they did with silver. If the rich start to lose money, the game does shut off. They're like your idiot neighbor that you would play video games with growing up, and they would start to lose in the video game, and instead of losing, they hit the stupid reset button on the Super Nintendo, and you're like, dude, you're so dumb. But you still invite them over to play the next day. You know, it's not like you hate them. You still want to have fun and play some video games. But they're like that. That's what these rich guys are like. They start to lose, boom, they click the reset button instead of taking their game and taking their loss. Only AMC and GME, bro, Shib and all the others after we beat up short sellers. Simon, yes, we can beat them up. Well, I think that it's okay. Personally, I think it's okay to invest in a multitude of things instead of just one thing. But yes, we are on a mission, and AMC and GME are doing extremely well right now. Boom! That's why I watch you, Mr. G. Appreciate you, man. Bernie Madoff came up paying for order flow. Hey, dude, if Bernie Madoff came up paying for order flow, you know it's got to be a good idea. You know, listen, if it's played out right, you know it's got to be a good idea. Definitely profitable. With that being said, if it gets abused, it can be really profitable for the abusers. But I still don't think it's a bad idea. How long is the line for the barbecue? Hey, bro, moneymakers or market makers hedging calls in the money drive that AMC price up. Crouching mallard, hidden duck. Very strange name, man, but I like it. So it could. I don't know how many options are going into the money right now. But as they do that, yes, man, if they expect it to close higher than the current shares they've got hedged against, it will increase demand. How much it increases demand, I don't know, dude. Even if there's 1 million shares or 10 million shares that they need to hedge for, dude, what's 10 million? What's a 10 million increase in shares on 160 million shares being traded today? If we hit 160 million shares throughout the rest of the week, and they're hedging against some options, some calls that they sold, they're going to be going out to buy 2 million shares a day, 3 million shares a day, and all of a sudden you get an increase in 3 million shares when the volume's trading at 160 million. It's not going to be a significant increase unless there's a significant amount of options that need to be hedged for. Okay, what's up, Clay? Sup, my bro? I don't know, I can't say that. Diego de Paula. What's going on, Diego de Paula? That's lovely. I used to wait in line for an hour there. Dang, JB. Must be a good barbecue place, huh? Grab 200 more shares of AMC just because. Now, grabbing some Wendy's. Nicholas, enjoy that Wendy's, man. I haven't been to Wendy's. Dude, I don't even remember the last time I went to Wendy's, actually. I went to McDonald's when I went to the zoo. Who do I have to? Oh, Dwight. I gotta tag Dwight into McDonald's the next time I go to McDonald's. I gotta tag him on that on Twitter. Yeah, I don't remember the last time I went to Wendy's, though. Fact, I beat my little brother at Hey 3 legitimately 20 games in a row, and he calmly got up, ejected the disc, broke it in half, and walked out of the room. Your brother's a rich man, dude. He's a rich man in the making, devil's advocate. That's the exact type of behavior that these rich men are playing right now when the market is not going in their favor. So, yes, your brother, as annoying as that would have been, your brother's on track to be a very rich man. Reset. Yes, Angelina, boop, reset. You're losing, you just get up and push the reset button. There's nothing they can do about it. If you remember, you get to skip the line. AMC Trapper for this barbecue place? Is that what we're talking about? Strip. AMC is just ripping higher, and look who comes back. Antics is back. Strip Club chat tonight. Only reset is gonna happen in this. God, man, this dude. Antics. Glad to have you back in the chat, man. Glad to have you back in the chat. Anyone notice that the media is ignoring AMC and GME news? Yeah, Angelina, they're just saying, they're blaming it on Ryan Cohen for buying 100,000 shares at GameStop or whatever he did. And that's it. That's it. He's there. You got Jim Cramer saying just take GameStop private already and move on so we can all be happier. That's about all the attention it got. Please be careful with options. Don't get excitable. I'm not one to say don't do them, but just keep your head level. We know what can happen Thursday and Friday. Facts. Pringleton, we do, man. And I hope that everybody in here does stay a little bit grounded. Make some money if you want. You know, the vast majority of the run may have happened already for this week. But if you guys are going to be playing options that expire anytime soon, okay. If you want to play some longer term options, you know, if you expect the short squeeze to happen this year and you want to buy some options that expire next year, well, I mean, you're lessening the risk because you're giving yourself the time on those options. So, I mean, it's something to keep in mind there. Hoodbro, the other person, Baker, was someone Pika brought from another streamer's channel. Oh, very nice. That's who it was, Frank. It was Baker. And I forgot the name since I don't typically see it in here. Hey, have you heard the news about Ape cryptocurrency? Kind of late to your stream, but wondering what your thoughts on it. So Nelson, yeah, I've actually done a few Apecoin videos. I still think it's still in its volatility stage, man, because it's just been released. Not everybody has claimed it yet, and you're still going to have some people selling off after they claim their free coins and all of those things. Did I lag there? But once that volatility is over with, I mean, dude, the Bored Ape Yacht Club is such a successful project, and I don't know if you saw yesterday, but they've apparently raised $450 million, this Yuga Ape Club or whatever it is, the Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs raised $450 million for 10% equity at a $4.5 billion valuation to build out a metaverse. So, it does seem like they're really going to be building some pretty big things there. Making money, 159 people and 66 likes. What the heck? Go click that like button for the backyard barbecue. Oh, yes, members only. If you're not a member, you don't get to eat, man. If you're not a member, you don't get to eat. You have to watch the rest. You can talk and have some fun, but you don't get to eat if you're not a member. AMC Trapper's right on that one. AMC Trapper's been waiting for 10 months for the backyard barbecue. Part 1. Rich man in the making. He's a scumbag. Well, rich man in the making, man. One time at the playground, he got everyone ice cream from the ice cream man and was like, yo, get me one. He said, no, use your own money, and went to grab it, and I come to find he was using my money to buy everyone ice cream, and he spent it all so I couldn't have it. Yeah, dude, your brother is a rich man in the making. No joke on that. He used your money to buy everybody else ice cream, and then when you wanted one, he had already run out of money, so he couldn't buy you ice cream. You had to get your own with the money that he already spent of yours, but you didn't have it anymore because he done spent it. Yeah, that dude is going to be so rich. Devil's advocate, no joke. You got to follow in your brother's footsteps, man. I didn't say it was nice. I just said he's going to be rich. Snatched some more Apecoin 2 days ago when it was low. I've been doing pretty well. Clay, what's your prediction for Ape? So, Cindy, I try not to make predictions, right? But I do believe with a lot of the stuff that Apecoin is trying to build out with this metaverse, and the fact that they're already, I don't know the best way to, like a status symbol, I guess is the way I want to put it. With the Bored Ape Yacht Club, they're acquiring CryptoPunks and some other NFT project that starts with an M, I believe. Not the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, another one. They're kind of like that status, and that might be like a status metaverse that they want to build out there. So I think that they're going to have some status associated with their coin, and you could see gains just on that after volatility dies down, in my opinion. But, the volatility could shoot you up to 35, back down to 20, up to 25, back down to 17, up to 22 before it ever even settles down. And clearly you're going to be much better off if that's the case than getting in now as opposed to waiting until the volatility is over. My June 17th options are up 200%. Still ain't selling them. Either we squeeze or I go bro. I believe it. Antics, you're not in anywhere in the middle type of guy to me. I completely get that from you. You could sell those 200% gain options and buy some more later if you wanted to. But yes, I completely believe that you are a go big or go home type of fella, and you will definitely go big or go home. Clip my guy, what's up? Justin, glad to have you back, man. Shorty had 26 million borrowed usable shares starting the day. Wonder if they used them today. Ronald, is that I don't know. I don't know the numbers on the borrowed shares today. Well, on options, the longer out, the lower the premium. Isn't that right? So on options, the longer out, the higher your premium is going to be because you're paying for the time. If you're buying options that are going to be expiring today, not today, this week, sorry. If you were buying them on Friday. But if you're buying options that expire this week, and they're already, unless you're talking about further out of the money. Is that what you're talking about? Not further out time frame? If you give yourself more time, it's going to cost you more money. If you give yourself further out of the money, then yes, that's going to be cheaper. So hopefully I did not start to go on that rant there and you meant further out of the money. That's my bad if you did. Justin, grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. Guys, you know what to do. 155 of you, welcome Justin to the Brotherhood. Thank you for grabbing that green name, man. Becoming a bro. I want to see 155 welcome Justins in the chat right now, especially if you're one that's too afraid to chat. This is what it's all about, man. Growing the family here. And Justin, welcome, man. Watch what these people do for you. Everybody's gonna welcome you. Don't make me a liar, guys. Everybody better welcome Justin now after I said that. I'm a go home type of guy. Being out past 10 sounds exciting. Dude, I'm telling you. I'm a go-home type guy too, though, Jonathan. Being out of 10, it sounds exhausting to me. Who the heck would want to be out past 10 o'clock? Dude, really, past 9 o'clock. It's dark out. It starts to get dark. You better be going home, man. Better be going home and relaxing. Put your feet up on the couch. Oh, yeah. Being out after dark. I don't know why. Ape is reaching out to 14 bucks. Saif, yes, man. It was sitting at 13 a minute ago when we were looking. 13.33 right now. 13.40, up 9%. We got it up on the CoinMarketCap website right here. We were watching that. $13.40, up 9% on the day. So performing very nicely. Welcome, Justin. Welcome, Justin. Welcome, Justin. Sup, Clay? What's up, McLovin? Welcome, CD Wit. Thank you. Sup, Justin. McLovin. Thank you. Let's go. Been a long time, Clay. You're a legend. You're a legend, Justin. Look at you, man. You got the green name, dude. Appreciate you. So I heard the head of the IRS. Said that they're extremely understaffed, and due to labor shortages, they're struggling to find new hires with the low wages they're offering. Forget paying taxes. Antics. I wish I could take your advice on that one. I'm still going to make sure that I pay my taxes this year, but I also heard that the IRS is understaffed. But I also know that the IRS has several years to come back on you. So, be careful. Justin JB, thank you for welcoming Justin. Welcome, Justin. Request your taco party invitation. New guy brings beers. Let's go. Welcome to the bro family. Diego De Paula, thank you very much. And I was in White Castle parking lot at 2 a.m. this morning, eating, thinking about AMC. Mitch, what were you doing at White Castle at 2 a.m.? Dude, you should have been sleeping. Great job. Must. Thank you. My mom always told me I had to come home when the streetlights came on. Paul, your mother's a great lady. It's good advice, man. That is good advice. When streetlights come on, it's getting dark. You better go home when it's getting dark out. Saif Al-Baidi. Saif Al-Baidi. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. And I have no idea how to say that last name. I call it Saif. Saif, thank you very much for the super chat. Thoughts on Zombie Inu? See, I don't know too much about Zombie Inu, man. I'm not going to pretend like I do know a ton about Zombie Inu. People do ask about it in here. So, you know it's got some demand, but I don't know enough about it. Mitch, we're in Orlando. Oh, man. Shredder wants to go to White Castle with Mitch. Guess name. I'm more of a liquor guy. Well, dude, I'm more of a lemonade guy myself. Justin, is Clay the legend or is Antics the legend? It could be Antics. I used to stay out until closing time at the bar. Now I feel weird if I'm not home by dark. Cassie, happens to the best of us. Never really stayed out past closing time, but yeah, go home, get your rest. You're gonna wake up so energized and ready to go the next day. Nothing good happens after midnight. It's facts, dude. Except sleep and dreams. You guys can dream after midnight. Can Shib go over 2,500? Yes, absolutely. AJ Kelly, Shiba can definitely go over 2,500. It will have some resistance in that 2,500 point per coin range, though. So don't think it's just going to be an easy, clean break above 2,500 points per coin. Right here, you can see we got our line. This one's at 2,800 points, but this line right in here is at that 2,500 point range. Tested it here, tested it here, tested it back here, tested it back here. It's not going to be easy to break this 2,500 range. If we do, I'm looking at 2,800 points per coin as the next level of resistance. So absolutely, Shiba Inu coin can break 2,550. It's just got one leg to go before it gets there. Coolio. Oh, yes. Justin gets to eat at the barbecue now. He doesn't have to drink the hot dog water. Nobody wants to drink the hot dog water, guys. Get that green name if you want it. Hey, Shredder, what's going on? I'm waiting for the drop at $9. I made a few hundreds from Ape, but every day I wake up, the coin keeps climbing. Saif, you may still experience some volatility. I know it's got rising volume. The price is rising. Things do look very good in that regard. So be patient. See what plays out. If you're looking for your certain price point, don't feel like you got to make an emotional decision and get in, but it's not guaranteed that it does fall back down to 9, right? It's not guaranteed, but you got your decision. You made your decision on 9 for some reason, and see how it plays out for you. It's a good song. I Can Dream About You. Facts. That's a song? I didn't even know it was a song. My dad always told me nothing good happens after midnight, and if you haven't scored by midnight... Did you guys play some, like, After Dark, Capture the Flag or something? I don't know what you could be scoring on that late in the day. Nobody plays games that late. Long-time listener, first-time commenter. Keep it up, Clay. Rocket is a liar. Rocket, this is not your first time commenting. Come on, man. We know better than that, but thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. You guys know that Rocket is not a first time. You don't have a name like Rocket if it's your first time in the chat. So thank you very much, Rocket. You the man, AJ Kelly. You the man. MC Trevor. Does that mean I made it? You made it, Justin. You made it. He goes, you made it, bro. Boom. Fist bump on that. I'm actually coming down to Florida in April. My folks own a place in Palm Beach. Very nice, Mitch. You're going to go to White Castle. Does Florida have White Castles? I don't know if Florida has White Castle or not. Hello, guys. Hey, how are you? David. Doing great, man. How you doing? Too many altcoins made me lose my interest, to be honest. If it's not Ethereum or Bitcoin, I can't take it seriously. Camilo, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with buying one of the two biggest coins out there. I mean, yeah, you can take a lot of risks on those altcoins. You can lose a lot of money on those altcoins. But, dude, no shame in going for the two big boys there in Ethereum and Bitcoin. So, if I provide all the booze for the barbecue, I still can't eat if I'm not a member. Drinking on an empty stomach is bad, man. You can bring your own food. You can definitely bring your own food, Cindy. But no, you're not going to be eating unless you get that green name. Also, I think it might just be like lemonade and an iced tea type of barbecue. It's been this backyard barbecue here. Watch your videos every day, and it helps so much for beginning. Keep up the good work. Saif, I love it, man. I love it. It's positive feedback like that. It fuels me. It fuels me, dude. And I don't know if I'm lagging or not. I don't want my videos to ever be like so crazy that somebody can't understand them. I want to be able to talk to everybody, especially somebody that is, unsure of the next step, unsure of whether or not they've got what it takes to be an investor, crypto, stocks, all of the above. So absolutely appreciate that positive feedback, Saif. You have no idea, man. Mitch, sounds awesome. It does sound awesome. What hype is real hype with Shiba right now that's exciting and not just more clickbait, Clay, bro? So, Kyle, they've been increasing burns lately, so that's good news. But as far as, if you see anybody talking about Robinhood listing it, Robinhood hasn't said anything. There are other exchanges jumping on. People are probably going to be talking a lot about the Shiba Inu coin game. I don't know if I'm doing an Apecoin or another Shiba video tonight, because we've got some information about the game that Shiba Inu coin and Playset Studios are developing. They got a gaming developer conference going on today somewhere. I don't even actually know where it's at. But William Volk presenting at that, talking about the Shiba Inu game. So that's there. I saw Milkshake tweeting about the metaverse and naming your lands and streets and things like that in the metaverse. So if people are hyping that up, that's real, being worked on. It's not out yet, but it's real. Other than that, man, I think some of the other stuff, like if somebody tells you they're going to burn 1 million Shiba and turn the price into $1, that stuff's fake news. I'm upset that no one has started a handle of Henry. What? Rowan Gutter. I don't know what that is. Sounds dangerous. I lost 15,000 on Saitama, and I'm laughing about it. Dwight is the man. Dwight is the man. At least he's laughing about it, dude. I know a lot of people. I've seen a lot of people upset about Saitama. You crushed it, bro. Jacob, appreciate you, man. I'll let you know when I arrive, Shredda. You can stay at my crib. There you go. I think Shredda and Mitch may have just become best friends. I think they did. They did become best friends. Paul says spiked lemonade. Well, lemonade, I can't determine what you do with it after you get it. Instead, I am doubling down on Saitama. Dwight believes in Saitama. Instead of crying about that 15,000, he's doubling down right there, and he's going to turn that 15 into 50,000. Boom, baby. Get it, Dwight. Do you drive your wife nuts when you talk like that while reading comments? Camilio, I don't drive anybody nuts while I'm reading comments, man. I'll be the one to spike the lemonade for clear AMC. Whoever's going to do it, I'm not doing it. I don't care what you guys do. I'm not doing it. Check Adobe. The stock is Adobe running. Click any news on Cardano. I have no news on Cardano. I know that Cardano is rolling up to $1.08 today, but I don't know why it's been going on such a nice run lately. Look up the Disney movie, A Rookie of the Year. I will have to see that. Dude, I have not seen that Disney movie, but I do like Disney movies. Adobe. Is it rolling? It's not doing anything. It got hit pretty hard today, but it's not doing anything right now. Just sitting steady after hours. Had a terrible day today, though. Dang, man. What's up with the volume after hours? Look at this. Adobe had some 10x volume after hours in the last minute. Prague, the last 2 minutes, had some 10x volume out here. GameStop, very last minute, had a doubling of the volume. Ford was pretty steady. Disney, pretty volatile last minute there. It's strange, guys. It's strange. I was sitting here watching this one. This is a ridiculous candle on Farmy, dropping down to 1580 on 1.6 million shares being traded in 1 minute. That's why I was looking at that. Hello, Color Plays. How you doing? There's room for more after... There's always room for more after puking. That would be true. Ape Father, very angry. Day traders, hedge funds can kiss my... Why does the Ape Father stay... Ape Father's like the Hulk, man. He just stays angry. It's a movie of a young kid who pitches for the Cubbies. Yeah, I still haven't seen it. Kyle, sounds like a good movie, though. The High Stinky Cheese. Is this part of the movie? I know I don't know what this is. Pika, nice. I'm on break too. You guys are amazing. Was an earnings selling off. Okay. For Adobe, Jacob, is that what you're talking about? Earnings report sell-off with Adobe there, down 9%. I usually go to Publix when I'm in Florida. Their subs. You like their subs from Publix? Good deal, man. I'm always, yeah, me too, man. We're just always on break around here. Thanks, Kyle, man. You get it. Somebody gets it, man. Somebody gets it. You the one secret then, right? Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. Thoughts on Ethereum Classic? Dude, I'm actually mining Ethereum Classic. I have no idea what it's at right now, though. Wow. Dude, it had a really nice week. I didn't even know that it hit almost $50 today. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I switched over from mining Ravencoin to mining Ethereum Classic, so I'm actually liking that spike right there. I don't know. A lot of people get confused. They confuse Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. I don't think Ethereum Classic is ever going to be anywhere near the price points that Ethereum is at, but I am mining it. It's one of the most profitable coins that you can mine if you're mining using graphics cards. So I decided to check that out and throwing that into my wallet right now. Ravencoin, I was, but not anymore. But I'm really liking that run up there. I did not know that it basically doubled in price. Man, that is nice. Thanks for checking on that. It has 1348 EMA crossover on the upside. Gotcha, you're 1348 guy. So let me look at that then. If you're looking at Adobe and you're looking at the 1348, are you looking at... You're not looking at a daily. Clearly not looking at an hourly. What are you looking at for the 1348 cross, man? Five-minute chart? Okay. If you're looking at the 5-minute chart at the end of the day here, just be careful. You know, I always tell these people, yes, moving averages can be a great way to set up your trades, but especially if it's after hours and there's no action after hours, you can get stopped out of your position 10 times and never be profitable. It is much better when a stock actually trends in a certain direction. Like the cross to the downside would have been great this morning pre-market to get in at 450 and then see such a trend all day long to the downside, and you would have gotten back out here at 420. So you made a solid, basically the entire daily gain. You made that entire 9% up. So that would have been a good move. But if you're looking at sideways action, it can be brutal, man. Like look at this day here. It can be brutal if you're trying to trade and you're doing nothing but triggering and triggering and triggering. You short it here, and then you cross back above here. So you lost money there. You go long here, and then you cross back below here. You get ripped again, so you go short here, and it decides to cross back above, okay, towards the end of the day here, and you got ripped again, man. So you do have to be careful during sideways trading action. You can get stopped in and out of your position 3-4 times a day, and you're gonna lose every single one of these trades unless you get in, hit a quick small gain, and then get out. On days like this, it is much better. You can get in, it trends for most of the day, and you take your profit. So it could be profitable over a long series of trades, but just be careful if you're trading moving averages. They work much better during trending markets or trending prices. My cousin just texted. She was on a cruise ship. The tornado got close to it last night. She's a whale, always on. She's a whale, always on cruises. Nice. Hopefully she's okay. I've looked up programs for mining, but I've kind of been iffy downloading anything. So Nelson, yeah, man, if you want to mine, I use Simple Mining, and sorry, my eye's really itching right now. I use Simple Miner. So it's very easy to set up, but especially I've actually got a rig set up with a bunch of graphics cards. But like if you get a desktop and you got a couple graphics cards in it and you do want to mine, try to make $1 or $2 a day, you can. And Simple Miner is very simple to use. It's just you'd have to go in and you'd have to install a program and things like that. But they do make it very easy to use. Yes, I bought in too early and have been averaging down. Good deal, Jacob. Good deal. So, you bought in too early because you bought into the upside. So you might have bought in, I don't know what candle you were actually looking at for the crossover there. Just be careful, man. You guys know if you're trading. If you're not longer-term investors and you're trading, I'm sure you guys are already associated with the risks of short-term trades. But please, ask questions, man, because if I had a Discord where I was telling you to do a 1348, I would show you all the profitable trades on the 1348, which there are profitable trades, like you saw on the examples that we gave there. There were 2 profitable trades because the stock did very nicely on those days or very poorly on those days. But sideways days can get you. Frank, when you going live again? I hope you have some options questions. Nice. Frank, you going live tonight? Most likely tonight about 5:15 Central Time. Very good. Frank's going to answer all those questions. We want Claybro, not an underwear stitcher. Yes. That is exactly what we do not want. Any underwear scratchers or stitchers or anything. The bottom is in for AMC. My dad owns a car dealership. Trust me, bro. Nice, dude. Bottom, you guys heard it here first. The bottom has been made for AMC. It is time to shine now. My dude's dad owns a car dealership. It is time to go, man. Nice hash is easy for mining too. Nice hash, yes, nice hash would be pretty easy. I used nice hash a long time ago when I was just mining from a laptop. Right before it crashed, Ari bought some? Oh, I bought some. I'm like, Ari bought some. Right before it crashed. Well, Jacob, that's usually about the time that things crash, is right after we get in. Do we know the short interest? So as far as I know, the short interest is still right around that 20% level, man. I was seeing some things at 21%, and I was seeing some other things at like 19.68%. Am I lagging? I'm lagging a little bit on my screen here, and I don't know why it's glitching up a little. So if it's lagging for you guys, I'm sorry. If it's not lagging for you, I might look like I'm underwater for me, but don't use money you can't afford to lose. Just use play money. Guys, best advice, Dwight. Yes, Dwight's got the best advice there. If you're using money you can't afford to lose, you're going to get emotional about it. If you're using your excess money, you're going to have no emotion tied to it, and you're going to be fine. You're going to be a more dangerous investor. I'm green when the markets are red overall. Jacob, good. YOLO everything. Clearbro, planning on doing Shiba burns at the end of every month. I'll burn 1 coin for every subscriber on my channel. Seriously. Dude, burn 1 coin for sure, man. Actually, it's probably going to cost you more in gas fees to burn those coins. But, dude, burn. Yeah. Guys, go subscribe to Frank's channel. If you want to burn 1 Shiba Inu coin, he's going to do it. It's going to cost him some gas fees to move those over. So, go subscribe to his channel. My dad's rich. Must be nice. Change. Must be nice to have a rich dad, dude. Yes, Dwight, good advice. I used more than I should have because they said we'd mow ass in days last year. Cassie, it's tough, man. It's tough to have people say that and then see how long this thing is playing out. Like, I'm not going to lie. Apecoin, Nathan. So, yes, I do not own any Apecoin, but I do think the Apecoin has a decent future if it follows suit with all of the other projects that it's associated with. I'm actually at 3% right now. Jacob, dude, doing good. 3% is 3%, man. Cassie, it looks like it may still happen. I absolutely hope that it still happens. I don't want to be the guy that's been sitting here for the last year and a half and not to have the MOAS happen. Hey, Glade, thank you for answering my question, man. You rock watching your lives while I'm working. Boom, Nelson channel. That's the way to do it, man. Watch the lives while you're working. It does make the day go faster. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. Rocket says, "Hey, pull on you growing these locks out for some, what? For some flow. Like growing my hair out? Nah, you guys don't want to see my hair grow out, man. No. Is that what we're talking about? I'll do a poll on it. I'll do a poll. You guys don't want to see it. You guys don't want to see me cut it either. I'm telling you that right now. Okay. Let's ask it how Rocket asked it. Should I grow my locks for some flow? I'm pretty sure he talks about growing my hair. I think that's what we're talking about. I don't know if that's what we're talking about or not, but it seems like it. I hope. If that's not what we're talking about, my bad. I don't know what we got there. Let's go back over here to see why you guys are answering that poll. AMC still sitting sideways after hours, $20.75. Not really too much going on there. We've got Shiba Inu coin up 3% of the day, 24.20, bouncing off nicely off that 2400 level. Prague also sitting sideways after hours. Farming sitting sideways after hours. We've got GameStop sitting sideways, down slightly after hours. Down about 1%. Sundial sideways after hours, down almost 1% there. Mullen not doing too much. CEI is Camber Energy not doing too much. SPY not doing too much. BBIG sitting down 1% after hours. And Highcroft Mining flat as can be after hours. Dogecoin had a pretty nice day today though. Sitting at 1282 right now. It's not bad. Up 5% there. Let's go. Let's keep GameStop down here. See if we got any action coming on after hours for GameStop and an AMC. Smash that like button. No spam. Keep the comments respectful. Thank you very much, Frank. It's not all cracked up to you. My parents think I'm a loser. Dang it, Mitch. You'll prove them wrong one day, man. You prove them wrong. I don't think you're a loser. Hippie Clay. Nah, dude. Hippie Clay is a bad clay. Actually, my hair's never really been that long. I mean, it's never really been that long. Who is Duncan Gray legit? Do you know him? No, I think he's shared a couple of my videos before and tagged me in a few things, but I've never actually talked to him. So, as far as like him sharing some of my stuff, yes, I know he's done that. I've never actually had a conversation in DMs or anything like that before. Hey bro, send a tweet. I sent a tweet or you sent me a tweet, Kyle? Still holding AEMC, now 22% on Prague. Thinking about selling. Happy Feet, what's Happy Feet say? Thinking about selling to buy more AMC. Happy Feet, yeah, if you want to take some of your profits and bring them back over into AMC, absolutely, man. I still think that both shares, Prague and AMC, have a lot of upside potential left, but I think that I think you can do that if you want. I think that both of them have the opportunity to go to the upside. Well, tagged you in a tweet. Good deal, man. I'll have to check that out. I'll shave my head if AMC squeezes before Clay's birthday. I would look terrible. If I knew that I could squeeze AMC by shaving my head, yes, I would do it. But I don't want to see Danelle shave her head. But if it squeezes before May 26th, I do not want to see Danelle shaving her head. Don't do it, Danelle. Nothing better, easier than a shave. Shave? You think I should shave my head? My hair's been very long. My hair's never really been too long, man. CEI and IMPP worth a barrel of oil in price. You'll see. Dude, that would be a very nice gain on CEI, dude. That'd be a very nice gain. You should get on with TMI. Happy Feet, I like TMI. I've actually been on a few times with TMI. He's a good guy. Danelle, I got a screenshot. No, don't. Well, good. Danelle, you got to hold you to it now. Watch AMC. I didn't say it. Danelle did say it, though. Don't sleep on SQQQ with this volatility. You guys can play it if you want. Picked up some Apecoin. Let's see how it plays out. Brandon, hope it plays out very well for you. Could check it live right now. That would be an honor. How small town Kansas supporter. Show the small town Kansas supporter some love. Let's see if I'm logged in. Okay, I am logged in. Let's see. You tagged me in it. Yes, Kyle did tag me in it. So there's this thing. It's happening even when it's not happening. Think about it. Dude. Right there, man. Right there. If you guys didn't believe it, yes, Kyle did just tweet. Kyle, boom. Did I follow you? I do now, man. Good deal. Kyle, thank you very much for tagging me in that tweet. Appreciate you, man. Rob. Mr. Simon, I feel like you're trying to get me to say something there, and I don't know. Could will be a Vin Diesel twin after a shaved head. My head looks so goofy, man. My head looks so goofy shaved. I'm telling you. Hey, from Germany. Why American guys so negative? I don't know, dude. I don't know. American guys are negative. Well, guess what? We're positive in here, man. Positive in here. Ain't no negativity in here. I have to keep my head shaved. Otherwise, these two scars on each side of my head look like question marks. Pugnacious? That sounds really cool, actually. All right, we're going to take this vote down. What is the answer? Yes. 52% yes, and then the rest say no. So you guys are evenly split. Do not grow the hair out. Man, I got to be... Am I lagging like crazy? Am I lagging like crazy or what? It looks terrible on my computer, and I don't know what the deal is. Holy Santa Claus crap, that just happened. Boom! Kyle, of course it just happened, man. RFK Jr. and his wife live on my street. See this? Wow, you guys are just blowing me away. Ape will hit 14 today. Trust me, I'm making sure of it. It'll hit 14.05 and drop back to 13.70-ish. Not you again. Oh my goodness. Is it going to hit 14? Let's see. Apecoin currently sitting at 13.19 right now. He's calling it jump up to 14 and then back down to 13.70. It's a possibility. I don't know if it'll happen, though. Lagging a little bit. Your hair looks good. Well, thank you, Jacob. Appreciate that. Ronaldo's son buys Shiba. Ronaldo's son bought Shiba, or you're telling them that he should buy Shiba? It's a Russian man. I'm telling you. Yeah, Danelle, it might be. It's a little weird. The right side of my skull is titanium, and the left side is shattered and stapled back together. Pugnacious. I never know if you're playing me or not, man, but if that's the case, wear it proud, dude. Wear it proud. Wear those question marks in the side of your heads, man. Do the stupid cat thing, Clay. Change. I have no idea what you're talking about. There's no stupid cat thing that we do. I helped pump it. I helped pump it $2 yesterday. Dang, not you again. If you helped pump it $2, man, you must be a whale. I feel like that sometimes. Like, when you get lucky and you buy like a share of AMC and you're like, oh, I just made it go up $3. Boom. And then you realize that, yeah, you bought one share, but then there was like 30 other million shares that were bought nearly at the same time that you bought in. Yeah, it can happen. Let's see where we're at here. Shiba looking very nice, though. Steady gains throughout this afternoon here. Trying to make its way back up to 2,500 points per coin. So hopefully it gets there. It's been moving up nicely over the last hour and a half or so. AMC Trapper says, oh yeah, that cat thing. AMC Trapper, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper, for the cat thing. Change? You're welcome, man. You're welcome. AMC Trapper's got your back. Pugnacious, that's sad, but you're a warrior. Pugnacious is a warrior, dude. Someone donate for the cat thing. Change. New foe. You guys like it. I know you do. You guys like it. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Danelle. Man, we got to get more people on your live videos, Clay. All people watching. It doesn't match everyone subscribed. Nelson, they'll flow back in, man. I think a lot of people just, they get excited and they jump on the lives when things are moving. So I think they'll come back. They'll have fun too. Is that the stupid cat? That's the cat thing. I don't know what the stupid cat thing is. That doesn't make any sense. There's a stupid cat thing out there. That's the cat thing to me. I would know. I bought Cadena at 28 cents and sold it 28 bucks. Dude, if you did that, you're a legend. Not you again. If you did that, you are a legend, my friend. Softly calling Trapper. I feel like everything you do with Trapper is like I don't know why it's like slightly sultry, but it is. Everything about Trapper is kind of slightly sultry, you know? Did someone call me? Cat, we did call you. Cat, so glad you're in here. Me, yeah. I'll be number 99 likes, but oh my gosh, are we at 99 likes? Guys, let's go. This could be the second stream in a row where I get to 100 likes. Both streams today, 100 likes. I have not seen 100 likes in well over a month, so I appreciate you guys all day today clicking that like button. My goodness, Jason, number 99 liked. Anybody else got me? Let's see. Because it is 5 o'clock. If we keep AMC above 20, we will squeeze. Candy! I like the optimism, Candy. Let's do it. I'm just telling anyone here about getting in. It's 480,000 TPS layer 1 with Stuart Hebert from Satoshi's white paper. Whatever that means. 4,800,000 TPS layer 1. Transfer per second. That's what you're talking about. Transactions per second, right? Not you again. TPS. Anyway, guys, I don't know how it's 5 o'clock already. I really don't know how it's 5 o'clock already. We got the stocks moving sideways right now. Shiba Inu coin trying to make its way back up. But we're going to take a break. We got some videos coming out at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Make sure to watch those. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll get some shout-outs going on. I do want to say thanks to everybody. Quick recap. We got GameStop down 1.42% after hours. Farmy up 0.5%. AMC down 1.25%. Sundial down 0.5%. Mullen Auto down 2%. CEI up 0.5%. SPY sitting at break even. BBIG down 1%. And HYMC down about 1% as well after hours. So let's get these shout-outs going on, and thank you guys very much for hanging out and making today such a great day. We've got Zach, shout out to you, man. Mark, Shredder, AMC Trapper, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes, not you again. Frank, Tony Parton, Nufo, AMZ to Pluto. Candy, see you later. Seriously, must close Friday above $20, all or nothing. Let's get it. I hope it does close above then. I'm not giving up if it doesn't close above 20 on Friday, though. Zombie, see you later, man. Mark, Pugnacious, have a DMG Pictures Club. Oh, good deal, Pugnacious. Mitch, see you later, man. Micah, have a great evening. Paul, 11 Mr. Simon, TPS, toilet paper. Yeah, that's what it is, toilet papers. That's all it means. See you later, Danelle. Enjoy your evening. Shredda, Mr. Simon, Clay, you only work 2 hours a day. That's it, man. That's it. Only 2 hours a day. In, out, shred up. Boom. Done. Don't do anything else at all. Mr. Simon, enjoy your evening. Jacob, Candy, not you again. AMC Trapper, 107 likes. You guys are absolutely incredible. Thank you very much for that. Guest name, Frank, Change, Mela Mamas, Remy, see you later. I don't know if we got SD in here, Nick F in here, Stephanie in here, Lauren in here. All of you guys, if you are listening, thank you very much for being in here, making the live what it is. And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on them as always.